Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue from that part 1, basic of trigonometric ratio and also the application of it. Then today we'll continue from that last exercise 9a, question number 5. Question number 5, exercise 9a from Bose. Okay, question number 5, it is talking about string of a kite. It's flying. Okay, let's write the question. The string of a kite is 100 meters. Okay, now this is the question. Now before we solve this question, first we have to analyze it and first we have to draw the figure. Once we got the figure of this question, then easily we can solve it. Okay, the string of a kite. Okay, this chapter we always deal first with the ground. Okay, always start to draw the ground. Let's put, yeah, this is a ground. Okay. It's 100 meters long, it's make an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal, find the height of the ground. Find the height of the kite. Okay, consider the kite is above the ground this much. Okay, consider this is a kite. Now it is the height of this kite is considered as h. The height of this kite is h from the ground. Okay, consider this is a ground. Okay, consider the kite is flying from this point. This is a thread holding this kite. This is the thread. Okay, string or thread. String of the thread. Okay. Let's take this as a point A, this is as point B, then this as point C. And the angle makes with the ground with the horizontal. Angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. This is horizontal. Okay, now we need to find h. Now the length of the string. Length of the string is how much? 100. Okay, this is the length. Consider this is L is equal to 100 meter. Okay, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Slack means whatever you fly the kite, the thread it never goes like this. Remember, the string of a kite never goes straight, it will bend like this. This is called slack. And here in this question, assume that there is no slack. We neglect this bending of a or the curve of a string, then we just consider the string as straight according to this question. Okay, now we got the diagram. Once we get the diagram, okay, now we can solve it. What we need to find? Find the height of the kite. Okay, height of the kite from the ground. And length of the string is given. Okay, solution. What we need to find? What we need to find? We need to find the length or what? We need to find height. Okay, let h is the height of the kite from the ground. Okay, so this is a kite. Okay, h is height of the kite from the ground, which is equal to, let's take this is equal to how much? BC. And given theta is equal to 60 degree, and the length of the kite, length of the string L is equal to 100 meter. This is equal to AB. Okay. We know from the figure. Okay, whatever we need to find. Now look what is given and what we need to find. The given here is height. We need to find height, and given is length. Now look from this triangle. This height here is, it is a perpendicular or it is a base. According to this angle, now this will be the perpendicular, because any side which is opposite to any angle, that side will be called as perpendicular. Now any side which is opposite to 90 degree, that will be called as hypotenuse. Now this AB is called hypotenuse, then this BC is called perpendicular. Now what's the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse? Then the relation of, okay, I'll write this. The relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse means P by H, which is equal to sine theta. This formula is already, you know it in chapter A. Okay, now we need to find H. Okay, from the figure, P is equal to BC, then H is equal to AB. In place of the sine theta, right? Sine, how much is angle? 60 degree. And BC is the height. Now I'll take this AB this side. Then AB into sine 60 degree. Then H. Now AB is equal to how much? From this figure, AB is equal to 100 sine 60 degree. Then what's the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, I'll write this figure down. Since sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now therefore H is equal to how much? 2 into 1, 2 into 50, we got 50 root 3 meter. Okay, 50 root 3. Now what's the value of root 3? Value of root 3 is 1.732. Now do the multiplication, that was answer. Okay, 1732 multiplied with 50. Okay, 5 into 2, then 5 into 3, 15, 16, then 5 into 7, 35, 35, 36. 6, then 5 into 1, 5, 8, then with this 0, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, because the decimal point is here. Then we got 86.6 meter is the height of the kite from the ground. Okay, in part 1 I've told you we have to give the conclusion, then here also we have to give conclusion. Okay, thus height of the kite from the ground is equal to 86.6 meter. Okay, now this question is over. And let's look question number 6. So question number 6, kite is flying at a height. Okay, now this question number 6, you can do it by yourself. Can try it. Question number 6 is like this. The kite is flying at a height of 75. The kite is flying at a height of 75 meter from the level ground. Attached to a string, attached to a string, inclined at 60 degree. Inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal. Okay. Find the length of the string. Find the length of the string. Okay, this is a question. We given the height of the kite from the ground and attached to a string inclined at an angle 60, then they given h, then they given theta, then we need to find the length of the string L. N is equal to question mark. Okay, this you can try it by yourself. Okay. Now come to next question. Question number 7. Question number 7. Okay, the length of string between a kite and a point on the ground is 90 meters. The length of a string between a kite and a point. Okay. The length of a string between a kite and a point. On the ground is 90 meters. On the ground is 90 meters. If the string makes an angle theta, if the string makes an angle theta with the ground, such that suppose that tan theta is equal to root 3. How high is the kite? Now again, this question is similar to question number 5 only. Okay, solution. Now again, here we need to draw the diagram. Once we get the diagram, then easily we can solve the question. Length of string between a kite and a point on the ground. Okay, consider this is the ground. The length of a string. Length of string means the length of the thread. Consider this is a point on the ground where the string of a kite is attached. This point on the ground, consider is a point where the string is attached. Okay, and consider this is the length of the string up to a kite. Consider this is kite. Okay. Length of string between a kite is how much? 90 meter. Now this is 90 meter. Then if the string makes an angle theta with the ground, if the string, this is the string, S-T-R-I-N-G, this is the string, make an angle theta with the ground, this is the ground, make an angle theta. And how high is the kite? Mean how high? Mean from here. How high? Mean again we need to find h. But here they don't give exact value of angle, how much is the angle, but it given this tan theta. Now we got the diagram, then we can plot the question. Length of a string between a kite and a point on the ground is 90 meter. And the length of this string between a kite from the point on the ground is 90 meter. In the distance from here to here. Okay. Then this is the ground. Now given tan theta is equal to root 3. Then what's the value of tan theta? What's the value of theta? Tan how much will be root 3? Tan how much will be root 3? Okay. Tan 60 degree. Then equating the angle, then therefore we have theta is equal to 60 degree. Since tan, okay, I'll drop here. The more space there. Solution. Given tan theta is equal to root 3 and tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree, and therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Since tan 60 is equal to root 3. Now in place of this root 3, I replace with this tan 60. And here tan and tan can be cancelled, or we can equate the angle, because theta is the angle and 60 degree also is the angle. Then we have theta is equal to 60 degree. Now we got the theta, and also we got the length of the string. This is the length of the string, L. Okay, this is length of string L. Then L is equal to 90 meter, which is the length of the string. Length of the string. Then this is equal to, okay, so this is A, and this is B, and this is C. Okay, that is AB. And then we need to find the height of the kite from the ground. This is a kite. And how high is the kite from the ground? Mean from here, from this point to this point, how high? Mean what is the distance from here to here? That will be h. Okay, consider that is BC from the figure. BC is equal to h. Is the height of the kite from the ground. From the ground. Okay, but we need to find this one, then I'll put question mark here. Okay, now again we need to check the relation between, what is this one? This again, this is the theta, and this is the angle which is opposite to the side BC. And any side which is opposite to an angle, this will be called as perpendicular. And any side which is opposite to 90 degree, that will be called as hypotenuse. Now again, what's the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse? Like last question, number 5. We know relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Mean P by H. Mean P by H is sine theta. Then P here is H. Then H here is how much? H here is L. L sine 60 degree. Okay. Now only left is to complete it. Now what is H here? H here is, we need to find H. Then L 90 meter. Then theta, then sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Since sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. Then what's the value of H now? Then take this 90 that side. Then H is equal to 90 into root 3 by 2. Then 2 into 45. And therefore H is equal to 45 root 3 meter. Now this is the height of the kite from the ground. Or 45 into 1.732. Because the value of root 3 is 1.732. 1.732. Okay, now we need to multiply 45. Okay, 1732 multiplied with 45. Okay, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 16, 17. 5 into 7, 35, 36. 5 into 1, 5, 8. And 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. And 4 into 7, 28, 29. And 4 into 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 0, 15, 8, 9, then 17, and 7. And how many points here? There's how many number of the point? 3. 1, 2, 3. And here also we have count 1, 2, 3. The decimal point will reach here. And that is 77.95 meter. Okay, but don't forget to write the conclusion. Conclusion. Okay, thus height of the kite from the ground. Height of the kite from the ground is equal to 77.95 meter. Okay, now question about the kite is complete. Now come to the next question, that is question number 8. This is question number 7. Okay, welcome back to this question number 8. Now this question number 8 we can solve it by two methods. Either we can solve it by using similar triangle, by using this one, similar triangle, or either we can use by trigo. But this in this chapter we given here, then we will use it by trigo. Okay. Okay, everyone. maybe you feel bored. Now, question is tall boy, strong, okay, tall boy. Okay, 1.5 meter tall boy stand at a distance of 3 meter from the lamp post. First, we need to understand the question and draw the diagram. 1.5 meter. Where he will stand? He will stand on the ground. Okay, consider this is the ground. Stand on the ground at a distance of 3 meter from the lamp post. Okay, let's take this as a lamp post. Now consider this is a lamp post. Okay, lamp post like this. Okay, consider this is point A, this is point B, then this is lamp post. Of height, how much is given? 3 at the distance of from the lamp post and cast a shadow of 4.5. Okay, then find the height of lamp. Okay, we need to find the height of the lamp post. Okay, this is LAMP, lamp post. Okay, then there is a boy standing at a distance of 3 meters from this lamp post. Okay, so this is a boy standing here. Standing, how high is that boy? 1.5. Okay, 1.5 meter. Then from the lamp post and cast a shadow okay, of 4.5 meter on the ground. Okay, 4.5 meter, cast a shadow, means from here to here. The shadow will move this side. Okay, from here to here. 1.5 meter is a shadow. Okay, this is shadow. Okay, no problem. This is better. I'll drop it. I'll make like that. I'll make this. Point A, and this is the height edge of the lamp post, and this is the lamp post. AB, consider boy. What's the name of boy here? Okay, let's name as AB, and I'll name this boy as a C, D, and let's put this point where the shadow and the light is meeting. That will be point A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we'll name this as E. Okay. Now let's take this angle here as theta. Just consider here angle is theta. Now how many triangles here? There are 2 triangles, DCE and ABE. There are 2 triangles. Okay, now a 1.5 tall boy. This is a tall boy. Can stand at a distance of 3 meters from the lamp post. Okay, 3 meters from the lamp post. Okay, then from here to there. Okay, put where I write. Okay, I'll draw first this one. Then I'll move this C, I'll put it here. Then 3 meters from the lamp post. Okay, then I'll put like this. This is tall boy. From the lamp post and cast a shadow of 4.5 meters. And from here, his shadow is this side. 4.5 meters on the ground. Find the height of the lamp post. We need to find the height of the lamp post. Okay. Now we got the equation. Now we got the diagram. Then I got the equation now. Okay. Everyone, do you understand this? How to draw the diagram? Okay. Now we start it. Again, for starting, again we have to check here. There is a 2 triangle with same angle, that is theta. with common angle is theta. This triangle DCE also they have theta, and this triangle AEB also they have angle theta. Okay, then they have a relation here. Okay, now we need to find H. Okay, let. Always start with let. Let H is equal to height of the lamppost. Height of the lamppost. That is equal to AB. And which is equal to question mark. We need to find that one. Okay, we'll do it in short. I don't want to make it as a newspaper, like blah 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 here. I'll just go straight to the figure. Right, it's from triangle. Which triangle first we'll take? This small one or this big one? Okay, I'll choose first this small one. Okay, now from this small one, which is known? This DE we knew or not? This DE we don't know, then we cannot use it. But we know DC and EC. Okay, from triangle DCE. Okay, then we already know DC and EC. DC according to this triangle. Okay, I'll draw it here. This is D, this is C, this is E. Then this is angle theta. Okay, now from this triangle, again this is a perpendicular opposite to the angle, and this is adjacent to the angle that will be called base. Now from this figure, base is 4.5, then perpendicular is 1.5. Now what's the relation between perpendicular by base? What's the relation? Okay, from relation P by B, relation between perpendicular and base, then P by B is equal to tan theta. Okay, like this. Then tan theta is equal to P. P is how much? 1.5. Then base is 4.5. Then here we can remove this decimal point. Okay, here is one number after point, and here also one number after point. Then we can cancel directly the decimal. And again we can cancel this. 15 into 1, 15. 15 into 3, 45. Then we have here tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, let me put this as equation number 1. Also here I want to understand. First take this small triangle DCE or DEC. Now we got the relation between DC and EC. That is tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now I'll take this big triangle ABE. Okay, I'll draw this one now. Also, from triangle ABE, from triangle ABE, from triangle ABE. Okay, I'll draw it here. From triangle ABE. Okay. ABE. Now AB is equal to H. Then BE is equal to how much? 4.5 plus 3. Then 4.5 plus 3. This is distance between BE plus the shadow and the distance of the boy from the pole, from the lamppost. Okay, now again, this angle is theta. And again, this will be perpendicular, then this will be base. And again, we'll use here the relation between P by B. Then P by B is equal to tan theta. Then tan theta. Then P by B. Okay, I'll write that this one. P here is H. Then I put H. Then B here is 4.5 plus 3. But tan theta is how much? tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Then in place of this tan theta, I'll put 1 by 3. From where we got this 1 by 3? From equation 1. From equation 1. Now can we find the value of h? Mean the height of this lamppost. Okay, I got now. Okay. Now 3 plus 4.5 will be 7.5. Then h is equal to 7.5. I'll take it this side. Then becoming 7.5 by 3. Now 7.5 I'll remove like this. 7.5 divided by 3 into 10. Remove that decimal. Then 7.5 divided by 75 divided by 3. Anyone knows how to divide? Then 3 into 1, 3. Then 3 into 2, 6. Then 3 into 5, 15. Then we got here 25 by 10. Now, how many number of zeros here? 1 zeros. If 1 zero, then count one number from here. Then only one. One zero will be one decimal after one number. If 2 zeros, then we'll count two number. If 2 zeros mean example like this. Example, if 2 zeros, then I'll put the decimal point here. 2 number. Because in this question we have only 1 zero. Then I'll write one number. I'll move this side, one number. Okay. And therefore h is equal to 2.5 meter. This is the height of the lamppost. And again, don't forget to give the conclusion. Okay, I want you to write the conclusion. I won't write it anymore for this question. Okay, now we'll move to, according to Bose question, that this will be slab 2. Okay, we'll go back to slab. We'll move on to slab 2. Not go back. Move on. Go back, go back. We already finished. Now we'll move forward. Okay. Now you write the conclusion. Mean wash your hand after eating food. Wash hand. Then here also we need to wash your hand. That is write the conclusion. Okay, don't forget to write the conclusion. Okay, now start question number 9, that is slab 2, chapter 9 of Bose textbook mathematics, exercise 9a. Okay, this question is important for your exam. Those who watch my video, please note this question is important. It's a favorite question of Bose. Okay, now again we will do the same thing. Now read the question, analyze it, and draw the diagram. Once we get the diagram, then we will know how to solve it. Okay, in this question is about the tree broken by the wind. Hay biết question that from drain the cannula. Okay, the tree is broken by the wind. Okay, where's the tree stand? How many you doing with? Okay, the tree stand is always we can solve on the ground. Or some people they plant a tree on the top of their buildings by using the flower pot. Okay, but here we can start on the ground. So let's take this is consider this is a tree. The original height of the tree. Okay, consider this is a tree. Okay, AB is the tree. Put a name for that tree. Okay, what's the name of this tree? AB. Saya masuk pada the AB, right? Okay. The name of this tree is AB. Okay, how much vertical straight tree? 15 meter high. Okay, what's the height of that tree? 15 meter high. Okay. I put it here. The height of a tree is 15 meter. Is broken by the wind. Day is broken by the wind. in such a way that it's top. This is the top of the tree. In such a way that its top just touch the what? Touch the ground. In such a way that its top just touch the ground. Okay, consider it's broken somewhere here. It's broken. The D. Okay, then consider this is now this is the tree touch the ground. Okay, consider it's just touch the ground. Okay, let's name this point as A, B, then I'll put this point as point C, then I'll put this point as point D. Okay, just touch the ground. Now this is touched. And make an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. This is the ground. Make an angle of how much? 60 degrees. At what height from the ground did the tree break? At what height from the ground? Các one khai ngủ từ tùy vì nó khăn đảo. Okay. At what height from the ground did the tree break? Này ni mà thế ni nó khăn đảo rồi nó khăn đảo rồi ông nó khăn đảo nó from the ground, not from the top, from the ground. Okay, let's take this as a point H. Let's take from the ground the tree break at a height H. From the ground, the tree break at a height H. Okay, now we got the question complete. This is a figure for this question. Now we can drop this question and start solving it. Okay. Now then, if from here to here is H, then from here to here will be how much? Example, if from here to here is 10, then what is from here to here? Look, the total is 15. The total is 15. Then example, if from this point to this point is 10, then what is here? Obviously you will see here is 5. Okay. An example now. How we got that 5? Mean if here is 10, then the total is 15. Then how much we got this 5 here? Mean 15 minus 5 we got. 15 minus 10. It's called 5 because the answer here is 10. And obviously here will be 5. Okay, 15 this one. Then this 10 here is H. Then this will be coming how much? Okay, let's take this as AC. Then what is AC now? AC here is 15 minus H. Got it? This one. Now example, if this is 10, then this is 15, then how much will be this one? Obviously you say 5, then how we got that 5? We get 15 minus 10. Then 15 is this one, then minus 10. Minus 10 is H. Then we got 15 minus H. Then this 5 here is again AC. AC. Okay. Okay, this is point C and this is point A. What is the distance? And this distance will be coming 15 minus H. Now if this AC is 15 minus H, then what about this DC? This is obviously 15 minus H. This is 15 minus H. Why? Because this same part of a tree is falling. And if this is 15 minus H, then obviously this also will be 15 minus H. And we need to find this H. Okay. Now look from this triangle, I'll take it separately now. Like this. Now this angle is 60 degrees. Then this BC is H. Then BC. Then D. Then this DC is 15 minus H. Okay, solution. Let h is the height of the tree. Height of the tree. Height of the tree. Height of the tree from the ground. From the ground to the point. From the ground. The thao khanh. Nó khinh đao hóa độ thao khanh. Height of the tree from the ground to a point. Did it break? Okay, that is called to BC. Equal to question mark. Okay. Then we don't need to write so many sentences here, so many newspapers, because everyone hate to remember the sentence. Then let's go down into the figure. And that is from figure. From figure. Okay, which figure will use here? Figure B, C, D or D, B, C. What name you want it? But you choose from here. Okay, from figure triangle. Which triangle here is? Okay, I'll take D, B, C. It's a triangle. Now again, look from this triangle. What is this one? This is again perpendicular. Why? Because it is opposite to theta. Sine which is opposite to angle, that will be perpendicular. And this will be obviously 90 degree. Then a sine which is opposite to 90 degree will be hypotenuse. Now what's the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse? Okay, then perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to sine theta. Sine theta here, how much is angle? 60 degree. Then perpendicular here is h. And hypotenuse here is 15 minus h, which is equal to sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Since sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, now I'll write it out. Okay, now can we find this h from here? Okay, to find this, we can do like this. Either we can cross a multiplication, this one that side, this one this side, or either we can reverse it directly, like this. This 15 minus h will go up, then this h will go down. Then if this side is interchange up and down, then this one also we have to interchange up and down. We cannot interchange only one side. Remember, we cannot interchange only one side. Then we have to interchange both. Okay, now I'll interchange it. That will be fast. Okay, I'll interchange. Now this 15 minus h I'll write it up like this. Then this h will go down. Then obviously this also has to interchange. You cannot interchange only one side. We have to interchange both. Then here 15 divided by h minus h divided by h. Because we use like this. 1 plus, if I put like this, 1 by 2 plus x by 2. This we can write like this. 1 plus x by 2. And similarly here, 15 minus x by h like this. Then I split these two in both, these two numbers. Then here also I split this h, here and here. Not splitting, but taking both as same. Then 2 by root 3. Then h and h cancel. Then we got here 15 minus h. Then if h and h cancel, what remaining? 1. Okay, h and h cancel. Then 2 by root 3. Now only one h left here. Okay. Now this minus will take that side, change to plus. Then 15 by h is equal to 2 by root 3 plus 1. Because this minus will take that side, change to plus. Remember that this minus, take it that side to the right hand side, will change to plus. Okay, then 15 by h is equal to root 3 into 1 will be root 3. Then 2 plus root 3 divided by root 3. Okay, I wrote this. I don't need this anymore. We already got it. Okay, now this number root 3 is not a rational number. It is an irrational number or contain a radical. Then we have to remove this radical, especially from the denominator. This below one, this is numerator, then this is denominator. Numerator, then this is denominator. Then in class 9 you already studied that how to remove that radical from the denominator by rationalizing it. Okay, 15 by h is equal to 2 plus root 3 by root 3. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll put like this. Root 3 multiply root 3. Now again if cancel this root 3 and root 3, then they remain same like this. Just I want to remove this root 3, that's why I multiply this 2. Then 15 by h here. Then root 3 into 2. Okay, I won't do this one. I'll do this. I'll just write root 3, 2 plus root 3. Or should I write? It's better to write. Okay, it's better to do it. Okay. Root 3 into 2, I got 2 root 3. Then root 3 into root 3. Okay, remember, root 3 into root 3 become 3. Remember this. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Then divided by root 3 into root 3 again is 3. Now this 3 is no more radical or is no more irrational, it becomes rational number. Now we can do it. Now we can interchange it. Now we need h. Then look at this. Interchange h up, then 15 down. Then this will become up, then this will be coming down. 2, 3 plus 3. Really? But if this is the case, then again we have to rationalize. No. Again we have to rationalize again and again. Then 15 by h is equal to 2, 1 over 3, 1.732 plus 3 divided by 3. Then we'll multiply here. 1.732 multiply with 2, then 4, 6, 4, 2, 3, then point. Then we have 3.464 plus 3 divided by 3. And 15 by h. Now we can find h from here. Then plus 3, then becoming 6. Okay, I will interchange it. H by 15. H by 15 is equal to 3 by 3 plus 3, 6.464. Then h is equal to, take this 15 aside, then 3 into 15 by 6.464. Then this also is a problem to divide. It's a big problem. Okay, whatever, we have to solve it. Okay, 3 into 15, 45, divided by 6.46. Do division here. 45, remove this point, you will come here 1000, then 6464, and do that. Oh, big problem. This is a mistake to solve equation. It makes us difficult. Or should we do it again in simple way? This is headache for you to do division. Okay, I'll do it from that point where you are like this. Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to sine 60 degree. Then perpendicular is equal to h. Then hypotenuse is equal to 15 minus h is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. Then 2 into h, we got here 2h. Then 15 like this. Then 15 minus h into root 3. And here 2h is equal to 15 root 3 minus root 3h. Then take this h this side. Then 2h, this is minus, will come to plus root 3h, which is equal to 15 root 3. Okay, we'll do like this. Now it becomes easier for us to do the division. Okay, now here is h, and here also h. Now we can take common. Okay, then h 2 plus root 3, which is equal to 15 root 3. Now we want the value of h. When h is equal to 15 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. If we take this side, we'll change to, but because here is a multiply, because this part here is a multiplication. Then multiplication, if we take that side, change to division. Okay. Now we need to do only one times rationalize. Then h is equal to, okay, I will rationalize here. 2, here this is a plus. Then when we rationalize, we have to conjugate this. Mean interchange the plus to minus. Like this. Okay. Then 15 root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Divided by this is a plus b, then this is a minus b. Now a plus b into a minus b was the formula, everyone knows this formula, a square minus b square. Okay, we'll use this formula here. Now a here is 2, then 2 square minus b square. Okay, remove this. Then h is equal to 15 into 2 will be 30 root 3, and 15 into root 3 and root 3, okay, then will be 15 into 3, because root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Then root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, then 15 will remain as 15 because here is a 1, then 15 into 1 will be 15 divided by 4 minus 3. Okay, then h is equal to 30 root 3 minus 45 divided by 1. Okay, now we can stop. No need to do division again, like that last one. Big number we have to do. Okay, now easily we can solve it now. H is equal to 30 root 3. Then 30 into 1.732 minus 45. Okay, then 1732 multiply with 3 into, because here, okay, I put 0 here. Then 3 into 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 21. 3 into 1, 3, 4, 5. Then with this 0. Then how many number here? 1, 2, 3. Then here also 1, 2, 3. Okay, then that will be 51.960 minus 45. Then minus 45. Then 069.6 Okay, the answer will be 6.96 meter. Okay, that the tree break is from the ground to a point where it break is 6.96 meter. Okay, thus the height of the tree from the ground to a point, did it break is equal to 6.96 meter. Answer. Okay, then question number, thank you for this one, it's finished, but don't mind for that, we have do by another method. We got a big number, then I stop it because due to a big number is difficult for you to do division. Then I change with this second one, which is easy. Then please try question number 10, because this is similar to question number 10. Question number 10 is similar to question number 9. This is talking about the tree, this is also about tree. Okay, then thank you for watching, and please do like it and share it, subscribe it. Thank you, and we'll continue for the next part till we finish this chapter 9. Okay, thank you.